driving home from work, but we have one of our traditional summer storms here in Minnesota. So I'm driving through Lakeville right now, going up Cedar Avenue. Oh, the rain let up for a bit. Oh, here we go again. So we're going to take a drive up Cedar Avenue. I'm going to take a different way home. So I'm going to take Cedar Avenue up. I'll take Cedar Avenue, which is Dakota County Road 23, and we'll take that up to County Road 42. We'll go through the older part of Apple Valley. Fun fact, before Apple Valley got its current name, used to be called can't speak right now. Used to be called Lebanon Township. And then it was the village of Lebanon, which turned into the village of Apple Valley, which eventually turned into our current city of Apple Valley, which is what we're crossing into right now. So we just passed 160th Street, also known as County Road 46. And for some reason, people are paranoid of a little wet weather. For some reason, it gets a little wet outside and people just go real slow out in this stuff. Street, but you wouldn't know it unless you had GPS going or you just know your way because the sign's faded. And right now we're coming up on County Road 42. So we're gonna hang a left here and go west. Right now we're in the center of the commercial part of Apple Valley. You got a lot of restaurants and stores and businesses around here. Try to get into the left lane, but you'll see someone passing me right there. That's Pennock Avenue. And to the right is one of the great Clipses I go to for haircuts. I usually go to the Burnsville one, but if they're packed, I go to that one here in Apple Valley. This is the older part of Apple Valley. This is kind of one of the areas that got developed first. And then we got Hayes Road here. If you take a right, that'll take you right up to Apple Valley High School. light took forever. Yep, good old County Road 42. Also known as Egan Drive, 145th Street, 150th Street, depending where you're at on the road. So I gotta turn the wipers on. Yeah, good old summer storm here in Minnesota. Holy moly. Now we're crossing into the city of Burnsville where I live. And this guy who doesn't know where he's going, definitely not following these ass clowns. I'll go up to Nicollet. Right there's Nicollet Ave Drive, County Road 11. Yeah, those people are going like 20 under the speed limit. I'm not following those people because they're going to go 20 under on County Road 11. Portland Avenue to the left would be Munns and Byerly's grocery store. I go there every now and then for some specialty groceries. Right there to our right on the other side of the intersection there is Chianti Grill. Little upper end restaurant. Got rave reviews. I have yet to go there. Been meaning to. At the intersection for Interstate 35E. If you take a right here at this light and go on North 35E, that'll take you toward downtown St. Paul and beyond. If you take a left on the other side of the bridge here, that'll take you to where it meets 35W to merge back into Interstate 35 going south. Now we're going to get off this road and take a right here at Nicollet Avenue. Taking this road will take you to Burnsville Parkway, Highway 13, gonna go that far. Oh, it looks like the rain let up here in Burnsville. Fairview Ridges Hospital. And now we're coming up on McAndrews Road, also known as County Road 38, but everybody knows it as McAndrews. Sorry if the picture's kind of slanted. It's just the way the pavement is here at the intersection. Sorry about that. And just a couple right turns up here will be First Avenue, First Ave. And that'll take me into my neighborhood. Just a little quick driving video, show you what it's kind of like driving in the rain here in Minnesota. We get summer storms periodically, but for rain, it's been kind of a wet summer this year. So I just want to say thanks for tagging along. Have a good rest of your afternoon, good evening, and good night.